Mm-hmm.
Oh, you could just pretend to be with her all day. Remember the feeling when you first held hands today. Imagine her in your favorite white dress, smiling at you as if she thinks that you're the best. She's telling you about me, sitting on a tree, getting higher, seems like you tell her, baby, hear me out. Will you marry me tonight? We're in this make-believe reality. It's just you and me, make-believe reality, but baby, this is killing me. Cause when tonight she holds you tight, you wonder if this fantasy is right. Cause when reality comes to play, you realize you couldn't make her stay. Daydreamer, you gotta be prepared to leave.
Katakaran na ni Kabanata atong Irish. Hi sa akong mga fans.
Hi, sorry.
Welcome. Trio ba?
Welcome to Centrio.
Unsay meaning sa Centrio?
O kabalo.
Wala.
Dili, oy.
Centrio. Wala meaning?
Wala, oy.
Sure.
Wala, like,
Centrio. Wala meaning ano? Center of
the river. Ambot of the river of the river. Ay po.
Leave her in your fantasies where it's over. You've gotta make sure that it's you who'll be with her. Or you could be her soldier, her knight in shining armor. I'm sure you wanna make her feel how much you love her. You wish that God she can see the love in your eyes, so she can realize that she's a girl in your mind. And you don't mind, don't make it out alive, cause you knew right from the start that she's such a boy killer. Cause when tonight she holds you tight, you wonder if this fantasy is right. Cause when reality comes to play, you realize you couldn't make her stay. Daydreamer, you gotta be prepared to leave her in your fantasies where it's over. You gotta make sure that it's you who'll be with her. Daydreamer, you gotta be prepared to leave her in your fantasies where it's over. You gotta make sure that it's you who'll be with her. And I couldn't believe we're dreaming. I couldn't believe we're leaving this world for one more fantasy, just you and me, so that tonight we both can finally be, can finally be. Hey, daydreamer. Hey, daydreamer. You gotta be prepared to leave her in your fantasies when it's over. You gotta make sure that it's you who'll be with her. Daydreamer. You gotta be prepared to leave her in your fantasies when it's over. You gotta make sure that it's you who'll be with her.
Unsay meaning sa Centrio? Unsay meaning sa imo? Unsay meaning sa Centrio?
Wala research.
Try lang, try.
Centrio.
Try lang, try.
Center?
Ha?
Center? What a question mark center?
Center?
Comment please. HP store, third floor, Centrio, Ayala.
Nag-work ka na ni? Nag-iwang na yung mix. Wow, nagka-sexy na.
Nagdiwa na lagi, pero kipiyaan siya po.
Ay, gid. Lagi dayon. Bitter, lagi dayon kayo.
Ito na po ng Peter.
Sa yung maka-istorya sa how
Well,
is that?
everything was prepared except sa mga construction because some of the places or some of the areas is unfinished pa. Dinalian.
Pero, ang sige meaning sa Centrio?
Stupid kay ka.
Dili stupid na. Sige, sige.
Center is center.
Centrio. Center?
Ay, kung video ko ba?
Divisoria man ang center.
Ayaw, center.
Nata din sa Kingko World. O Ayala Mall din sa Cagayan de Oro City. And we're here to test the, what is the called?
Rocking chair. Rocking rotating chair.
Turn it on. Come here. Demo. It's up. It's done. So, what's gonna happen next?
Saya. Wala. You dance with it. Dance with it.
Say benefits na ni. Side ups, lower ups.
Go back to that subject. Back to the reporter. Close up.
Ngayon po tayo try. Kasi ang itawag na exercise exercise siya. Go!
Skating.
Ma-relax kasi kailang massager. Yan yung madali ang pressure. Enough.
Sakit ya?
Nagdami kay kaning sa likod ba?
Ay, regapon sa likod.
Agay! Sige lang. Here sa Ayala Mall. Kaupan ako dani. Among mga nakaraan. Mga barkada sa una. Karon dili na. Uy, sige na kayo na. Lain na ba ni Game? Dubat ko, lain kayo. Diba? Say. Say, musta ang Ayala? What can you say about this?
Okay lang.
Nice talking. Sila nito?
Western Mindanao.
Western Mindanao, go. Sa'yo mas tulad din sa Ayala Roots.
Okay ba yan siya? Wala lang kuhan. Wala lang fully book. Ako din, Mrs.
Mrs. Roots. Mrs.
Ako din,
Roots.
Mrs.
Ganda
Pupilogs, pupilogs.
Sa'yo mas tulad mo sa Ayala? Centrio. Wala? Okay, very good.
Very good.
Berlin.
Patay.
Berlin, Luzon. Oh my God, Luzon.
Berlin Luzon from DSWD.
Ano ba na? Nana dito. Okay lang store.
Ikaw, Meg.
Wala bi.
Ikaw, Kat.
Wala. Ayun o.
Klaro ka dito sa.
Kung sa'yo bini sa Centrio?
Centro you? Centro you?
Tinood? Yan totoo, yan totoo.
Wala, di ako kabalo.
Sabi.
Ang sabi, anyari?
Kunyari, kararigaw. Nga na, yun. Ano yung cellphone imo po Japon na? Imo na yan Japon? Ikaw, Sai, sa'yo mini sa Centrio, Sai. Why do you think Centrio ang alam? Love it. Hindi mo
No
naman.
comment.
Cover. Moment na lang ito.
Yeah, wala na.
Berlin. Ganun Centrio ng tao. What do you think? Why do you think? And how do you think? Kani ba Kati X ni Kuan. Kuan ba ganyan ang gingan? Uming de. Uming God.
Oh my God!
Okay. Mga tira mas storya. Nice talking to you guys. Wala lang, na-miss na ako. Namista mo guys! Namista mo? Namista mo kanina? Ayaw na yun.
Number 1 fan.
Ano may pista ba? Namista mo guys. Wala ko. Wala ko rin yung pala. Namista mo.
My hair. That's an Army Navy. With, what's your name? Francis. Francis is my best friend.
And I'm an agent.
No, you're not the agent. My best friend and what's my name? My name is Poppy. What's my name? I poop. I don't poop. Say hi to my fans.
Hello. Hello. Wait,
Boy is like 3 Stooges. Kaya ginastorya ma'am, dali sa kuhan. Ayala, Centrio.
Okay ba ya?
Okay siya, pero
Ang iyahang kuan view, yang ang pagka-trabaho mo girl, pagka-plano ba sa architect, kaniya kagwapo ba sa ilahadan nga kuan?
same name ma'am? Pangalan? Pangalan? Kuhan lang, pangalan lang, dili na
Mimi
apelido.
lang, Mimi.
Mimi. Ha? Bibi. Ay, nagdidi ka. Bibi, Mimi, ha? Mimi, Didi, Bibi, og
Lily.
Lily.
Ha.
Bantog na barkada mo? Sure ba?
Lagi.
Lily?
Lily.
Karo ba mo karealas nga na yung mga ngalan?
Ako na pag-umagisingan man.
Ako na si Pipi. Pupi.
Ako si Pupi. Meaning sa Centrio.
Namukid ka na dong, magpagid na mo na ibalidong.
Ikaw ang makatubag kayo.
Wagin mi nakabaluan na, basta kay Centrio.
Sa imong tanaw. Ganong Centrio man
Sentro?
tao. Centro.
Center.
Oh. Sentro, center. Mara. Tungod lagi kay naa siya sa sentro. Ciudadan. Lagi siya sa center, kit sa tanang kuan, bagikan,
Ano
iligan.
wala man sa Divisoria? Center ni Divisoria.
Wala may space dito ngayon ani ka na.
Hindi man ang space namin.
Mga available nga. Pwede ito po.
According sa akong research, Centrio siya kay i-compose man siya og hotel,
Mall.
mall, og kanang condominium.
Nasa condominium.
Na.
Oo,
No?
kay Centrio. Trio.
Pwede, no?
Yeah. Center.
Ay lang magtuod dito.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.